Very happy with my recent Tarmac Works arrival, including the Hong Kong Toy Car Salon exclusive, the Global 64 recent release, and the most anticipated collectibles is the Tarmac Works LBWK collectible trading cards. I have a very small collection of Pokemon trading cards, and I guess the Tarmac cards with the LB collab may be the next best addition to my trading cards collection. There's an intro at the back of the packaging, and it states look out for the founder Wataru Kato's super rare autograph cards. There are 6 packs per box and 5 cards per pack. And now let's open up the box. Very nice design on the packaging. And now I shall open up the cards and let's see whether we can get the Wataru Kato autograph cards. First card is the LB Silhouette Works, the Zero Fighter, the Lamborghini Murcielago. Very nice print. This is a normal card with a normal print. Very nice graphic showing the Kanagawa wave against the Mount Fuji backdrop. The LB Works, the Muriel. Very cool work as well. Seems like this is a jigsaw to piece up to a bigger message against the backdrop of a traditional Japanese background with the torii gate. Description of the F40 and a foil card, the LB Silhouette Works Zero Fighter, the 35 GTRR MGZ. You can see the holographic foil, which is very cool. And that's the Liberty Walk Tokyo, located in Harajuku. A very nice store, very dangerous for your wallet. The location of the store itself, if you are in Japan, you should definitely visit the store. The second foil pack of the Volume 1 series, Zero Fighter, which is the regular version. The LB Works Zero Fighter 458. Description of the 458. The LB40AZ1. The back descriptor. Oh, that's the sort of a foil, the LB Works Zero Fighter, the 458. And the Liberty Walk Tokyo store. The third pack of the Volume 1 series. The 35 GTRR MGZ, LB Works Zero Fighter 458, the LB Silhouette Sylvia, very nice, it's the regular cut version. Descriptor of the Sylvia, the 458 Zero Fighter in foil, Kanagawa wave, which pieced up to a bigger graphic, I guess, and the Liberty Walk Tokyo store. I guess this is generic. Perhaps in every pack. The fourth pack of the Series 1, the Zero Fighter Murcielago, the LB Silhouette Works Skyline ER34, very cool against the Mount Fuji backdrop, the LB40AZ1, which we have seen, the 458 Zero Fighter in foil, and the Tokyo store. Fifth pack of the Volume 1 series, the Murcielago Zero Fighter on the Expressway, very nice and stunning. Descriptor of the Murcielago, the Zero Fighter 458, the LB Works F40, the Moon Equipped LB Works, the Challenger SRT Hellcat. This is the foil series. Descriptor behind, and that's the 1:64, and the Tokyo store. The last pack of the Volume 1 series, the 35 GTRR MGZ, the Sylvia, the LB Silhouette Works Sylvia, the 35 GTRR MGZ as well in a different graphic, and the Skyline ER34 against the Mount Fuji backdrop, and also the Liberty Walk store. So none of any Wataru Kato super rare autograph cards, but that's fine. There's always a next time. These are all the foil pulls from the 6-pack. The cards definitely looks very premium. The GSM per card is very thick and very sturdy. The quality is definitely better than many other trading cards. Tarmac cards really invest in a lot of love and passion for these trading cards. Not just die cards. If you are not yet into trading cards, perhaps the Tarmac cards is a good way to start. And I'll see you in the next unboxing video.